nature is a massive part of my life. It has been since I was very young. I've been exposed to it all my life, and I see it as sort of the axes on which my world turns, sort of thing. I believe that nature is sort of elite, almost godlike. So to me, it's important to pay respect to nature, and I think in return, I believe that nature is good to me. I find it very calming. I see it as a give and take between a person and nature to have some sort of relationship.
But I think the damage of our own expansion and building housing estates and cities expanding, and we're just gradually encroaching on the nature areas.
And then one day they just started taking all that down to then build another estate. So it makes me feel quite like claustrophobic, because it's getting rid of like
But
that
you know,
that
there's
sense
this joint
of freedom
like groaning, and sometimes
and
like
being
I feel
apart from
like
everyone.
it's really satisfying. There's this kind of like, you know, nature is crying red. Everything was like panic red, and the sun, I think it was the sun was setting in the afternoon, and it was just like completely, not even just the clouds